Hello everyone, welcome to Young Innovators. Hope all of you were able to code the LED to stay off for a long time on Tinkercad. Today, we shall look into few simpler Arduino circuits with LED. Further, we shall take few input devices and see the output based on the inputs provided by us. We shall first code two LEDs to work our. The circuit schematic is as shown. Copy the same and start the circuit and code simultaneously with the video. Let me go to Tinkercad workspace and grab the necessary components, which are an Arduino, a resistor, two LEDs of different colors. You can choose any color of your choice. Next, we shall connect the anodes of the LED to pin number 5 and 6. The cathode will go to the ground pin through a resistor. The circuit part is completed now. Let's click on code. We shall first set up the pins. For that, we will write void setup, open a flower bracket, pin mode 5, output, pin mode 6, output, and close the flower braces. Arduino is case sensitive, so do take care while writing the code. Next, we shall go to the looping statements. We shall write void loop, open flower braces, and type the following. And close the flower braces at the end. Let's click on Start Simulation now. You can see the LED going high and low simultaneously. Next, we shall introduce an input device. We will take a push button and build the circuit now. Circuit schematic is as shown. You can take a look at it and do the circuits simultaneously. Let us log into Tinkercad workspace and drag an Arduino, a push button, an LED and two resistors of 1 kilo ohm each. Let me connect the LED to pin number 13 as shown. Next, we shall connect the push button. Let me connect pin 1B of the push button to pin number 2 as the input, and pin 1A of the push button will go to the ground pin through a resistor as shown. Pin number 2A or 2B will be given to the 5-volt pin on the Arduino. The circuit path is completed now. Next, we shall code the Arduino. We shall first set up the pins. For that, we will write value is equals to 0 first. Here we are declaring a variable value with 0 as the input. Next, in void setup, we will write Next, the looping statement goes as shown. This completes the code. Now on clicking Start Simulation and pressing the switch, the LED will glow and will be off. We can replace the push button with a slide switch and make it work in the same way. We shall drag a slide switch now and connect the terminal 1 of the slide switch to the ground, terminal 2 of the slide switch to the 5V terminal on the Arduino, and common terminal will be given as the input. On clicking Start Simulation and sliding the switch, the LED turns on and turns off if I slide it back to the previous position. In this way, with a condition, we can control the LED pins with inputs. In our next video, we shall work with few analog input devices and check the output. Hope all of you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching.